don't know whose this is. It's probably getting repaired. It looks like a little bit of damage in the front, but I hope somebody's repairing this and taking care of this, which it looks like it is. It has wheels in the back. Yeah, this is beautiful. To me, this is like very peak BMW. What is this, 3.0 CS? Yeah, this is beautiful. Now we're in the shop, guys. Coming in from the outside a little bit. I love it. They got all like the flags up here, like Brembo and they got a lot of nice stuff in here. So they got the old school, well, they got the three-wheeler right here, and then they have the old school, like, what is this, 30s? Somewhere in the 30s? Yeah, this is fire. These Volkswagen buses so much, like, I don't know every generation the way that I probably should, like, but I know it's round, a little bit round, square, more square than early 2000s. Not as square as this, but a little bit rounded with square, and then the brand new one, which is round again. That's I don't know every generation, but it's dope though. Then you got the Mustang. I wonder what's going on with this. Oh, it's got the like embroidery Mustang in the seats right there. Auto. Then they got the Porsche and the Bronco right next to it. This Porsche is beautiful. You got the creamed out white right there with the green. The nice high elevated clearance, so you can go over so many different things. Beautiful interior. What's that right there, like tweed or something on the side? I don't even know what that material is. Beautifully done though inside of your store.
Yeah. It's weird, man. It's weird, right? That thing, you look like those little cross between seats. I'm like, where does this thing sit on this here? Fucking weird. Wow.
Now this is like ridiculous right here. This is like top peak Porsche right here. What is this, like a Speedster? It is a Speedster. Man, the Speedsters are crazy. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's so interesting to see how like simple they were back then. Even the Speedster part right here is like leather wrapped. Beautiful Speedster. You have the Camaro SS convertible, one of my favorite Camaros. I remember I seen a guy have one that was 4-speed, if I'm correct, and he was coming like at the airport, and he was coming down the street, pulling into the airport, just downshifting, just sounding monstrous with that Chevy V8. I would definitely take one of these in a convertible, like all day, every day. And they have the Super Sport right here. Another Chevy classic. Beautiful BMW. I'm sort of worried about BMW a little bit. Like, yo, so what happened to y'all a little bit? Might have to look back at this somewhat. I mean, I actually started to like a lot of the newer BMWs, but yep. 202. And then nice Stingray Corvette.